iBrazil iwine World Cup ka5.
iNetherlands ngiyo ezokuthumba ibigiri yephasi.
Amathimba awina ama World Cup bayadlala ngama local based players kuphela.
Kwamambala ifikile ibigiri yephasi ka 2026 isithabile sizoyibukela sizoyilandela ezinye zengikhathi imidlalo eminye yokudlala ngazo iyathusa kodwa na ke abalandeli bebhola ragwako sesiset ama alarm ama reminder nakho konke ukuthi ke kungabi khona okusiphundako ke namhlanje ke ngokukhethekileko size noSichaba Mthwane ubuya kuThobela FM ku SABC Sport umhathi umhlaziyi uthanda ama numbers ngenye indlela erarawo hle vele ngimbiza ngoRadi Palo Sichaba.
Ngithokoze Makdi ngithakwande ku balaleli kwekwezi FM.
No siyathokoza izambatho zeArsenal lezi nizozimbatha tot ninike matata.
Started 22 years ukuthi siwine trophy, so 22 weeks less sizoyithatha sikhoka lezi zinto zeArsenal.
But siya ku World Cup and bengithabile nangibona emunye wabadlali beni beArsenal uGabi banoMarquinhos. Immediately naqeda ukuphela ifinal eChampions League nakaqeda ukukhutha ipenal uMarquinhos ugijimela ku Yamaha banomsebenzi omkhulu efanele bayowenza ebigirini yephasi lapha. Uthabe kangangani ngeWorld Cup le given ukuthi Arsenal liwin league?
Magdi ngikhumbula khona yenye radio station bakhe bangibuza Arsenal isine 4 yama chance ukuthi iwine 4 trophies. Bathi kule 4 ufuna ukuwina wonke or khona lo uyifunayo. Ngathi kibo ngathi azina ngifuna ukuba greedy. Ngifuna iCup A1 and makungaba ileague inhliziyo yami izoba right. So ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi bathathe ileague. Yes ngibonile akuhambanga kahle kuChampions League and then lento yenzakele kuGabriel uMarquinhos kube umdlalo oqala agijimela kuye amtshela ukuthi no ungakhali lento enjalo iyayenzeka. Mawukhumbula ngo2022 iBrazil mayihlulwa iCroatia kuma penalty bekwi quarter final eWorld Cup. uMarquinhos uhlulwe ipenalty. So uwazi kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani, so that's why agijimele kuye ukuthi mntwana sekhaya ungakhali lento yayenzeka siya ku World Cup sifuna ispirit sephezulu kakhulu ukuthi sifuna ukuyowina iWorld Cup or senze something better ku World Cup.
iBrazil ihlale izindandokazi ihistory awukhona ukuqala umlando webigiri yephasi bese ungatsuphuli iBrazil njengendandokazi ukuthi bangayithumba ibigiri yephasi. Ucabanga ukuthi umnyaka ngiwo lo ubabona bakuphi ngendlela abangakhona uqale nombandulu lapho?
Magdi uqinisile iBrazil konke ama World Cup baya kuwo bahamba ba ama favorites. Mara khona something enzakala kuBrazil angazi ukuthi aware or abalandeli bebhola ba aware ngayo. iBrazil iwine World Cup ka5 from 1930 until 2002. Mabayiwina ka5 bekungana nomdlalo oyi1 odlala eEngland. uBrazil since baqala ukuba nabadlali badlala eEngland iBrazil ayakawini World Cup. One of ama players weBrazil ama former players Khafu kuyakhuluma something sayithatha easy ukuthi no lento ayikhulumayo ukhulumiswa umona athi uba worried mama player wabo weBrazil ayodlala eEngland. Since aqala ukudlala eEngland ama player wabo iWorld Cup banama player adlala eEngland iBrazil ayakawini World Cup.
Wow. So iPremier League ngokuthi kwakakhafu ukuthi ibulala isichema seBrazil.
Into yenzakalayo ukuthi iPremier League sazi ukuthi inemali and then i-team mayinama player amaningi athola imali eningi uqala kuba nama egos eteamini, so uqala kuba ngibabiza amamodla ama player ukuthi noma i-team yadliwa abasanamsebenzi into bayibhekile ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ungena malini month end. Mawukhumbula ngo2006 iBrazil mayidliwa iFrance bekwi quarter final nakhona iWorld Cup. Igoal bayikore ngayo iBrazil akusigoli khazayo because ama player abo Roberto Carlos beba busy bayenza izinto zingafuneki ebholeni bangana nendaba ukuthi no kwenzakalani emva kwakhe so lento le yakubonisa ukuthi ego yaphezulu kakhulu igcina i-emotional national team.
Even nango coach ofana no Carlo Ancelotti umuntu okuthiwa uyakhona ukumanage ama-ego uyakhona ukumanage ama-player amakhulu ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumnye ngeke kubasize nakho lokho
mhlawumbe kungabasiza sibheke ukuthi balande u-Ancelotti i-coach yokuqala in the history of Brazil yebuya ngaphandle kweBrazil so iBrazil maya kuma World Cup every time yaku World Cup ihamba nama coach azalelwe eBrazil so u-Ancelotti i-coach yokuqala ebuya ngaphandle kweBrazil yo coach iBrazil ku World Cup so maybe babone ukuthi no masingathola umuntu wangaphandle lo angazi i-tradition yethu owangazi into eyiningi ngathi maybe kuzaba ngcono.
Kune economist elinye libuya eGermany bathi nguJoachim Clement u derive iformula eqagela ukuthi iWorld Cup izokuthunjwa bobani so kuma World Cup editions ayi2 esidlulekiwe la imodel leyo ibe spot on so this time around uthi model lakhe imtshela ukuthi iNetherlands ngiyo ezokuthumba ibigiri yephasi iNetherlands iDutch ingithusile ansala bengithoma ukubona anything at all ebeka iNetherlands njengengkutani zebigiri yephasi
ngingayibheka iNetherlands makdi enyama team iya ku World Cup kuma World Cup kwama favorites ubheka italent yabo ngaphandle kweSpain neFrance akuna team ngicabanga ukuthi ine talent enkulu njengeNetherlands ama player wonke weNetherlands la adlala outside of iNetherlands ama player ungakhetha esquadini ungabheka nokuthi uperforme kanjani because of ama player khona good kodwa mabafika ku World Cup angazi bathu swayini bafana neEngland noma baya ku World Cup aphethe isquad esigood mabafika ku World Cup kuba nalento le ibathusayo then bangadlale kahle so le formula isebenzisile kunento eyiningi ezingayenzakala le World Cup siyakuyo iqala ngo11 zaka June in the history of World Cup kuzoba kwi World Cup yes3 iqala ngo11 zaka June so ku the previous two le iqale ngo11 sibone iwinwa ama new champions so singayifaka iHolland ukuthi iNetherlands ukuthi no ingayiwina because of mawubheka ihistory yeWorld Cup iqala ngo11 iwina ama team aqala ukuwina iWorld Cup kodwa mawubheka ama World Cup aba eNorth America onke awinwe yiSouth American teams.
Wow. Ngiyakho-ke imodel kubani othumba ibigiri yephasi
i-team ngibona ngathi iwina iWorld Cup Portugal ama favorites owami and then ama dark horses eNorway ngibona idlala ngibona abadlali bakhona enye country abantu abaningi abayibhekanga ngale ndlela but mawubheka i-striking force eNorway ubheka i-midfield yabo enye ama team ungamangala
Odegaard Arsenal uZamani
khona uHaaland khona Soloth and then ukhumbule iWorld Cup mawungabheka iWorld Cup mayidlala most of the time kuba nale team surpriseayo ngo-1998 sifune iCroatia lokungana nomuntu oyi-1 bayibekile ukuthi hayi le ingagcina kuma semifinals yagcina kuma semifinals and then masubele emuva siya ku USA 1994 bekune Bulgaria lebe singayicabangi yagcina ku semifinal so neNorway ungamangale uyithola ku semifinal
2022 Morocco
bekungana umuntu obhekile ukuthi African team ingagcina ku semifinal but yagcina ku semifinal iMorocco
so ngileso nesicemo sibona ukuthi singathumba ibigiri yephasi
mara I'm not a big fan ye Portugal but iyo team ngibona ingayiwina and then if ungangibuza ukuthi ngifuna iwine iphi count mina iSpain iSpain into inkaza ngeSpain isipindi sabo sokhetha abadlali iSpain abanandaba neminyaka iplayer ukuthi line how many years bayamdlalisa khona iplayer ngilithandayo kuyi favorite player yami at the moment but uPau Kubasi udlala emuva uya alida i-offside trap eBarcelona at 18 years. So iphi country ngenza lento le ukuthi iplayer ine 18 years ilide i-defense akusikaningi yenzeka lento le.
iPortugal ukuchiso yini ukuthi mhlawumnye bazinandokazi zokuyithumba ayu trying to balance ukuthi uMessi uthumbe edluleko imbanga yakhe kule mhlawumnye it's only fair ukuthi nayo ithumbe.
Ngibheke ama-player wayo iPortugal kakhulu ama-player adlala ku PSG. Ukhona kubona ukuthi bane talent iPortugal. Khona iplayer bathi uVitinha umthola everywhere. Bathatha i-rice yethu ayifake ebhodweni nge-final Champions League. So uVitinha kuno iplayer lemuva bathi uNunes lohlulwe ipenalty. Kunabo Ramos. So bane player everywhere, but iplayer ngaziyo ukuthi everyone uzobabhekela ona ku Portugal, and akimi I think uya ayenza ukuthi Portugal ingadlale kahle uCR7.
CR7 wenza iPortugal ingadlali kahle.
Ifocus iba kuye. And then ama-player angazi batshelani ukuthi every ball nithola lilethela kimi. Mawungabheka ama-games badliwe kuwo kuma-big tournament. Ukhona ukubona ukuthi if bangekho bangadlala ngcono because of bazolukhululeka ukudlala. But ngoba ukhona bafuna ukudlalela every ball kuye nala ingafuneki ukuthi kuye bafuna ukuyisa kuye.
So are you saying nangabe uRonaldo angadlala less iPortugal enethuba elingcono lokuthumba ibigiri yephasi?
Yebo. Kunjalo.
Now asibise la eSouth Africa uveza omunye umlando ukuthi iBrazil nayithumba ibigiri zephasi bebangana abadlali abangaphandle abebadlala ngaphandle kweBrazil.
Bangadlala eEngland.
Bangadlala eEngland. Okay,
Yeah.
bangadlala eEngland. iSouth Africa ibafana iya ebigirini yephasi ngenamba yabadlali abaningi ukusuka enahekazini eAfrica abadlala eligini yankhabo. So sithumela 19 abadlali abadlala kuBetway Premiership. Nawuqala istats lezi usiqala ngaliphi indlela? Usiqala ngokuthabela ukuthi mhlawumnye sine league strong namka uyaqala ukuthi kudle kuhle into le reflector ukuthi asinabadlali abaningi kangangani abangaphandle kweSouth Africa nekubuya godi ku reflect phezulu kwequality abadlali sibaproducer. Uyiqala njani?
Into enhle because of mawubheka i19 players eSouth Africa izoba inayo kuWorld Cup. Onke azoba representa iSouth Africa. Unlike abo England izoba nama player over 100 adlala eEngland kodwa representa different teams. So lento le ibonisa iquality ye league. Ukuthi league yethu inequality, producer equality. And then ikubonisa ukuthi ngo2023 masidlala kuAfcon bekungasifluku ukuthi sidlale ngabadlali abaningi badlale ekhaya. Ithi ngikutshele enye ngathi istats. Ukusuka ngo1930 my World Cup iqala kuba khona. Ukufika ngo1970 akuna team uwine World Cup inomdlalo odlala ngaphandle. Ama team awina ama World Cup bayadlala ngama local based players kuphela. Until 1974 my win eGermany bekunomdlalo oyi1 weGermany odlala ngaphandle eSpain. So lento le iadvantage it depends ukuthi sisebenzisa kanjani.
In terms of ukuba nabadlali in the diaspora ke lokho agreflect ukuthi siyabhalela ku export. Akutsho next ngalokho. Ngoba nakiwa ngicale njengeSenegal, Cote d'Ivoire, Cape Verde, iDR Congo. Lezi naga ezinganayo nomdlalo noyedwa odlala emaligini wankhabo. Okuthi ukuthi bakhona ukukhipha abadlali ukuthinga enaheni ezihlukahlukeneko mhlawumnye nemaligini amakhulu naqinileko. Istats less asitsho ukuthi we must be worried at the same time ukuthi ngathi asithumela abadlali ngokwaneleko ngaphandle.
Siyafana necountry njenge-England. England ayithumela abadlali abaningi ngaphandle. And then enye into sifanele sibheke ukuthi South Africa most of ama player wethu la adlala la ekhaya. I-choice yabo ukuthi bangayi ngaphandle. Babheke ukuthi imali bayiholayo la ekhaya i-right for bona ukuthi bangaphila than ukuthi asukela ayodlala eNorway or eBelgium kuma league anganamali ngaleyo ndlela. And then mawubheka iWest Africa compared to South Africa, not Southern Africa, to South Africa, iWest Africa ifocus yabo ukuthengisa abadlali. Ama-league wase-West Africa ifocus enkulu ukuthengisa abadlali. That's why ubona kwi-Champions League ungatholi ama-team amaningi we-West Africa acompete. Bayenzani ma abadlali baqala bakhula baqala uba marketa ngaphandle kuthiwa okay sizothengisa iplayer masithengisile let's say 100 million kuba nale clause yokuthi okay simthengisa ngemali encane nizomthatha nge-20 million but makathengwa enye team sithola certain percentage ilento i-West Africa yonke ifocus kuyo. That's why ubona most West African countries aya ku World Cup angana abadlali badlala ekhaya. But mawubheka North African countries because bayakhona ukuba bhatala lama player, bayakhona ukuba keeper ekhaya, bayadlala ekhaya except for Morocco iyo inabadlali abaningi badlala ngaphandle ya World Cup.
From your analysis umSouth Africa fanele abhudange ini ngebafana kuya ku World Cup. Yazi abantu abaningi well bakuchisa mhlawumnye izinkinga zamavisa lezi ezibe khona but asebaye balochise bese babuye la. Realistically, from your analysis, comparing also nama opponents esinawo lapha groupini yethu, uyiphani ngengangothini lamathuba ibafana.
Magdi abona if khona ama country akakawazanga ukudraw kahle eAfrica, South Africa neGhana azokwazanga ukuba kuma group ina right. In South Africa, a group yabo is one of the toughest groups sekuyo. My compare na ma World Cup skills abakuwo. Yes, ngasho ngathi ngo-2010 besiku tough group, but because of esekhaya besidlala C12, unlike last year dlala C11 against 12 players in Mexico. I group yethu tough kakhulu. Ubheke Mexico. Even though mawubheka Mexico this generation ayifana lesidlale ngayo nayo nge-2010 e-2010 beyinama high profile players compared to lesinayo siyodlala nayo manje kodwa mawubheka ipressure yokuthi bafanele bawin and asazi American teams banjani mabasekhaya so kuyoba difficult ku Mexico ngibheke abantu ba skillful abantu bane pace usuka ku Mexico uya ku Czechia Czech Republic i-countries ke sadlala nayo before it was King Fahd Cup Saudi Arabia i-Confederations Cup ye-FIFA sike sadlala nabo 2-2 i-problem yethu masidlala nama East European countries i-height and then mawubheka i-squad Hugo Broos askethile abadlali bakhona abekho good emoyeni ngaphandle kwendamane. So kusiyoba ne-problem ye-height masifika ku-World Cup especially masiyodlala ne-Czechia le idependa kuma-height siyazi ukuthi ama-East European teams adependa kakhulu kuma-height ubheke ama-player akhona bade most of yabo so
nakuma-playoffs World Cup I think ba-equalize via corner kick njalo
but dangerous kakhulu ngama-set piece but dangerous ngama-corner kicks so mawubheka thina e-South Africa ama-goals waconsiderayo bengikhuluma no Big Joe nini ukuthi most of ama-goals waconsider e-South Africa so consider from ama-set pieces. In fact the 60% ama-goals waconsidered in the last 10 games abuya kuma-set pieces so ayikho indlela ento le sifanele si-make sure ukuthi askorwa ngama-set pieces which is going to be difficult ngoba siyothola ama-player wase-Czechia bade labantu Magdi.
And then South Korea?
Ama-Asian teams adlala ngokufana most yawo. Bazokuyeka first half udlale the way ufuna ngakhona bakufunde ukuthi lo muntu udlala so and then bazoba bayenza lento singayifuni sithi ukupaka ibhasi bona bazomake sure ukuthi abakorwa nge-first half. Second half mayibuya ila uzobabona khona bazokhipha ama-true colors wabo ukuthi badlala njani.
And sizoba nenkinga nabaqeda lapha bahlwengise ne-stadium abantu ngibabona basikuni
kune-discipline enkulu kabi ku-Asia.
Bengisabuza noGamela ngithi even nobujamo besithathu nibona ngekhe sakhona ukubuthatha egroupini le due to i-expansion ye-World Cup le 248 teams.
Kule 10 countries e-Africa iku-World Cup I think it's South Africa, Ghana and Cape Verde. Ilama team afanele asebenze kanzima ukuthi baqine bakunama 3 because I guarantee anything ukuba kunama 3 ungaba kunama 3 but wathola ukuthi ama points wakho aphansi so ku country fana neMexico masidlala neMexico I'm not saying ngeke siwine singayishaya iMexico sikhe sayishaya before khona ngale eAmerica so into sifanele siyenze ukuthi if akwenzeki ukuthi siwine and then akwenzeki ukuthi kube i-draw singadliwe kakhulu.
Naziza enarheni zenarhakazi eAfrica amehlo amaningi aqale phezulu kweMorocco of course given ukuthi benzeni ku World Cup edluleko angazi ukuthi baya lapha nizabe nibahatshana ithini izinkutani zeAfcon namkha sizayilisela kini sizwe ukuthi nithi nansemoyeni ukuthi African champions namkha kanjani nikhuluma ngeMorocco but amehlo amaningi aqale nginesiqiniseko sokuthi aqale kibo nabo bazicala angazi ukuthi babhudanga ukuya further namkha kanjani na kodwa na ubaqaleko ukabanga ukuthi iyobakhambela kanjani ibigiri yephasi le
Magdima ubheka iMorocco even inhlanhla is one of the countries even inhlanhla njengathi because of akusikaningi ukuthi ube kusame group ne country uqale nayo liphinde niqale futhi. iMorocco iqine 1998 ukudlala iWorld Cup neBrazil. Isase same group neBrazil. 1998 bevane eBrazil, bevane eScotland ku same group. Babuyelile futhi ku the same group bane eBrazil neScotland. Kuma group stages bayodlala kahle. Kodwa I don't think bangafika ku semi-final. Ngoba into yenzakele ngale ku eQatar. Mabashaya iSpain besazi ukuthi iSpain siyaphansi performance yabo iyaphansi so baqalele phansi iSpain bayabuilda so I don't think iMorocco bangagcina baku semi-final again and then coming to ukuthi sizobabiza ama-African champions yebo sizobabiza ama-African champions mara sisahlathulula ukuthi kanjani ngeke siyeke ukuthi ama-African champions kuphela
nizokutsho
ukuthi ama-African champions ngalendlela
bafake ne-asterix
ukuthi no kwenzakale so
uAli ngomunye wabatloli nama-columnists ubala iSenegal as a very balanced team from all 10 African teams kuyo World Cup kuhle uthi nangabe kunesichema asibekela phezulu la enarhakazi neAfrica sichema se Senegal ubonani ngapha
ukhuluma iqiniso ngivumelana naye because mawungabheka iSenegal ama player sibale wonke ama player weAfrica azobadlala ku World Cup ubheka ama national teams azobadlala ku World Cup iSenegal i-country A1 inama player wonke ama regular kuma national kuma club wabo ngaphandle so iSenegal i-problem yabo ihlutshwa ilento bengikhuluma ngayo before ukuthi kuba nama ego but nge-leadership yaka Sadio Mane sibonile nge-AFCON ukuthi badlala njani ukhona ukubatshela ukuthi ashenzeni so maba wina i-semi-final yabo bashaya i-Egypt nge-semi-final ye-AFCON bafuna ukucelebrate that not much asikakafike la siyakhona wabatshela ukuthi phansi asikakafike la siyakhona lento le ile siyifunayo ngoba the more we celebrate uzitshela ukuthi sewufikile la uyakhona uyakhohlwa ukuthi umsebenzi usasemkhulu so iSenegal iyo ngibona ngathi iyo perform better than any other African countries.
Ghana icoach coach kusele boma 75 days ngaphambi kwe World Cup nguCarlos Queiroz olapha abantu abaningi babhanka ngeexperience anayo ebigirini yephasi kodwa nakuqalwa ukuthi wenzeni yabo ngiba nomraro nase uthi now this coach is experienced in the World Cup kodwa nawuzuma ini ukala ukuthi wenzeni ku World Cup awukhona ukuthola kuhle there one country qualify le World Cup kaningi ukula zonke inarha zalapha enarhakazini eAfrica bebangekho na kwaFcon iGhana iyalapha enjani amathubayo ngendlela abazakudlala ngayo ngaphasi kombandulo wabo uQueiroz
bese ngikhulumile ngeGhana ukuthi iSouth Africa neGhana ama country azithola a group engekho right ama kuma toughest groups bengibukele ngoTuesday iGhana idlala neWales azange be impressed yes kuyi friendly kodwa mawubheka beyidlala neWales mara be under pressure igcine win game kodwa be under pressure from first minute to 90th minute so azange be impressed because iGhana mawungabheka kakhulu mabakhetha isquad ababheki iperformance ama player babheka ama profiles nomngane osebenza kwenye radio yaseGhana besikhuluma ngayo lento lathi no into isibulalayo eGhana ama-Ayu brothers because of bahlala bakhona ngegama lakababa wayo njalo. So lento le iyo isibulala, and mawubheka i-performance yabo akusi performance ngathi no bafanele babe ku-national team. So sewuyabona ukuthi bangena because of igama. So anginikeza i-chance iGhana izaba inenhlanhla mayingadlulela ku-second round.
Yeah, ngeCapo Verde khona sesilindele nje thina icamera ezasikhombisa lapha emastandini sizibonela botata ba right bakhona lapha eCapo Verde. eCapo Verde naye ngezinye zenaga eziyalapha nabadlali abangaphandle kweCapo Verde njalo. Singalindelani kufanele silindeleni kuCapo Verde.
Magdi enye into siyikhohlwayo siyaba thani bebhola ukuthi sometimes uzobathi le team inama player amaningi adlala ngaphandle. Kodwa asibheki ukuthi badlalelani ngaphandle. Mawubheka iCape Verde mawunga eSpain ubathola ku3rd division yaseSpain. Mawu ePortugal ubathola ku3rd division yasePortugal. Mawuya eFrance ubathola lapho. So Cape Verde nayo yolochisa iyabuya yobonisa umhlaba ukuthi iphetheni
outside
le kuma stands ubabonisa ukuthi siphetheni iCape Verde. So unless yayenza into kuyenzwa iSenegal neNigeria ngoba siyakhumbula ukuthi iAfrican team neGhana bakhe bayenza lento. iAfrican team iyayenza isurprise kwi-debut yabo yokugcina kube iSenegal ngo-2002 bekungana umuntu oyinikeza i-chance, and ngaleso sikhathi iSenegal beyidlala ngama-player adlala ku-second division yaseFrance. And then iNigeria iGhana ngo-2006 nayo iyenza the same thing, bekuyi-debut yabo ku-World Cup bakhona ukudlulela ku-second round. iNigeria 1994 siyakhumbula ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So let's hope into yenzakale ngo-1994 le America ingaphinda yenzeke ku-one of African teams.
Sichaba vane kuthiwe abantu love the underdog story. Epikirini yephasi nanyana ngiliphi i-underdog story is always the nicest. Who's your underdog kuchingwa ku-World Cup le and why?
Norway. And then Netherlands angazi ukuthi singayibeka ku-underdogs, but i-profile yabo ayivumi ukuthi sithi ama-underdogs yona ne-England because of ama-county aphethe ane-experience e-World Cup, ama-county anama-player ama-profiles amakhulu. But iNorway, i-reason ngithi iNorway ngibone the way idlala ngakhona. iNorway ayifani iNorway ya before. These days ukhona ukubona ukuthi izinto zitshintshile. Singayifanisa neMorocco la eAfrica ukuthi baya-improve. Ngasho ngathi Norway is one of the most improved European countries ku-World Cup lesiya kuyo.
England badlali bathi it's coming home, it's coming home. Njani. This time around bano Thomas Tuchel. Uchenche umkhumbulo uphambene nabantu abaningi beEngland bambangisa ukuchiya ngaphandle abadlali abacabanga ukuthi ba top. Ngoba nabantu beEngland bayathanda ukuqala ukuthi udlala phi, wenzeni isichemeni sakho. Pheze into eyenzakalele ngebafana ukuba khona kwaTuchel nokuqunda ukuthi mhlawumnye athatha abantu ababiza ngesichema as opposed to amagama kuyomsiza ngangani lapha eBikirini Plus.
Magdi asibele emuva 2022 ne2018 England bekwano Harry Maguire. Lo kuya ngami mabaya ku-World Cup beyaya angekho ku-form e-right ukuthi angaya ku-World Cup, but because of i-profile yakhe nokuthi udlalela yiphi team bebamkhetha, azange bancede lento le i-England. 2018 kwenzeke same thing nakhona. So I think Thomas Tuchel wenze into a very different this time around. If we go omunye coach Louis Manscale bazoba Louis Skelly bazoba ayi World Cup abheke profile, but uchilo athi if abamdlalisi kuArsenal angeke ngimkhethe. Mara mawubheka isquad asikhethile usikhethe based on i-performance yabadlali, akasikethanga based on i-profile yabadlali. So into leyo iyo inganceda England ukuthi sibone i-performa kahle. Sazi ukuthi England kuma World Cup ku first round izodlala kahle, na ku second round ihluleka ukuya phambili, kodwa ngibona kusazoyenza nga same thing ukuthi England ingadlala kahle, and ukhumbule kuzoba kwi-World Cup yabo yokuqala bayodlala ngale e-USA 1994 bebangekho e-USA.
Wow, okhunyeke nasele siyisonga Sichaba indaba yamagama, pronunciation yamagama, ezako lapha ngiyeza nangithi Thomas Tuchel wena uthi Thomas
Tuchel
wena uthi Thomas Tuchel
yeah
uthi when
no singaba right to ngaba uyi1 or so ukujwayela ukuthi okay mina ngimbiza ngale hlobo le but sizothola indlela right ukumbiza ngoba mawukhuluma ngamagama ukwa pronounce kunegama le country mina bengithi Curacao
yeah
Curacao yeah
amanye amagama mhlawumnye efanele eselwa wahluleko sifanele siwakhumbule siya la ngoba mina ngiyazi ukuthi Bruno Fernandes nguBruno Fernandes
yeah ama Portuguese and Spanish name ayahlupha bengibheke ama Spanish name kakhulu mawungabheka thina sithi Alexandra or Alexandro wona bathu Alexandro bafaka uJ la kuyo and then if kuna double L eSpain ku language eSpanish awibizi ngeL njengo Marcelo Allende akusu Allende uMarcelo Allende uyenza le double L uyenza Y so ezinye izinto ngizifundile ngama Spanish names ukuthi wabiza kanjani mawukhumbula kuna lo goalkeeper wabo uCasillas besimbiza
Casillas
yeah uCasillas asuCasillas uCasillas
ngingabona le Portuguese nabo babiza amagama ngendlela ehlukileko uNuno Mendes bathi nguNun
yeah esingishilo ngithi iSpanish Portuguese French singasifaka yeah ngo19 le move le bekune player but ngapha South Africa besubiza ngoJust Fontaine because mabhala nje njengoJust akusu Just Fontaine uJust Fontaine yes so izinto ngisifundise zona ngeWorld Cup ukuthi lamagama awafuna ukuthi wawele staff funa uyenze iresearch ngawo ukuthi igama mali so ngilibiza kanjani because amanye amagama siwabiza ngendlela yethu abanye abantu bamangala ukuthi lo muntu ukhuluma ngobani.
Last question, kunendaba ukuthi ibhola ngathi iyamove endabeni yokuba nabantu abazingigwegwezana Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, thola sibuzana thola ngithi who's your goat kunabantu abathi into leyo ngathi ibhola ngathi yasuka from having umuntu othiwa uyi-goat namkha nguyongehla kunabo bonke abantu angazi uyavumelana nalokho namkha asasinaba abantu abadlali abaselevelini ukuthi ungathi this is the greatest player of this generation.
Magdi ngeke ngithi ngivumelana nawe into ngayisho ukuthi ama generations ayachintshana. Mawukhumbula sibele emuva siqala ngo1998 ukuza ngapha besino Zidane mawukhuluma ngebhola sikhuluma ngoZidane ukusuka lapho masiya ku2002 saqala ukukhuluma ngabo Ronaldo, Ronaldinho
R9
yes so masilogo siza kwaba nabo bathu banu Figo ama player I change then kwafika le skhathi sabo Messi no Ronaldinho no CR7 bekuyibo bayi2 kakhulu that's why besikhuluma ngawo so namanje basasekhona ama player lawo it's just that baningi manje asikhona ukuthi
sokuthatha abantu kathi
uLamal nobani kodwa mangabheka ama player kune player I think is one of the most underrated player manje emhlabeni uVitino lo PSG one of the good players ngeke ngambona and then ubheka uyena uLamal uyamal omunye ama player good lo umbonayo ukuthi no lo yapi and then uya ku England khona iplayer lidlala ku Manchester City i left back but i-left back yabo umuntu O'Neil ngikhohlwa igama lakhe so omunye amanye ama players singakhulumi ngawo kakhulu kodwa abantu saziyo ukuthi mabakhona bayenza ama changes amaningi eteamini.
So basically uthi wena bakhona sekuthi baningi kubudisi ukuthi ungathi Ronaldo namkha Messi njenga ngaphambilini.
Yes. So mawubheka siye ku Spain. Mawubheka iSpain ngisasho namanje ukuthi I don't think khona country inama young players njenge Spain or iyakule World Cup ine talent njenge Spain. ISpain any player dlala ku Barcelona bengangena ku national team. any player eSpain idlala ngaphandle kweSpain ungayikhetha ku-national team. So enye ama team uyibona ukuthi le team ime kahle when it comes to talent.
Also, what did you make of Spain leaving ama players we Real Madrid wonke kuyo ku World Cup le? Because I know ukuthi go-2010 bebana abadlali abaningi ababuya kuhle bekuyi Real Madrid ne Barcelona nabaza kuthumba ibigiri yephasi. This time around 0 players okusuka ku Real Madrid.
Mawungabheka iReal Madrid isquad sabo ngakubuza uthi ingakho ama player we Spain adlala isquad in Real Madrid ba very few. And badlala maphi ama position ba good kangakanani. So enye into ubona ukuthi wabanyekho. So iBarcelona mawubheka iplay eSpain national team eSpain badlala ibhola leBarcelona. That's why bona most of the time abaya ku World Cup baya kakhulu uBarcelona. This time around I think bakhethe 8 players from Barcelona. And then ubuyela emuva ku-2024 ama-Olympics mabaya kuma-Olympics yaphetha ama-player amaningi we-Barcelona nakhona bekungana iplayer le-Real Madrid. So ziyayenzeka lento lezo. So i-Madrid i-team ithenga kakhulu and mawuthenga ngaphandle obviously ama-player amaningi azoba ama-player angabuye kule account le.
Sithaba sesiza kuzwa-ke emoyeni kuThobela FM. Usikhathi do you know ukuthi wenza muphi umdlalo?
No, angazi so far ukuthi ngiyaqala ngayo.
But uthomile azilungiselela abo 2 AM 3 AM
sengiqedile.
Yeah, already.
Yeah, ngiqedile ngimele ama knockout stages.
No, Sithaba sithokozile sanginande sikhuluma ibigiri yephasi nasolo iya sibona ukuthi izinto zikhamba njani.
No, nami ngithokoze Magdi mangibizile ukuza la ngiyaqala kuba kuma lights angaka so ngiyabonga nami ngiyathokoza ngesindebe.
Yeah, ngiyekona uyakhanya.
Yeah, no ngiyelo bho namhlanje.
Kwamambala sithokozile ngusithaba Mthwane ngomanye amaphimbo ozakhamba wezwa ibigiri yephasi nayisolo Iraq. Khumbula imidlalo emasumi 3 nemidlalo emine uzoyithola emhathweni yakwa SABC kufaka phakathi Thobela FM nomhathho iGwegwezi FM. Sharp.